This is a sweeping power that the judge has assumed that is just not constitutional. Parole is permitted under the Immigration and Nationality Act in exceptional circumstances. You would think that would apply to a couple hundred people a year, and in most presidential administrations it did. But Biden used it to create whole new programs that apply to classes of people's nationalities. So, for example, there was one for Cubans, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans that allowed 30,000 people a month in on parole. And then there was one that they used the CBP-1 phone app for that would let in 1,450 people a day at the border. It was an abuse by the executive of this parole power. So President Trump undid it. He said, we're going to stop paroling people in, and we're also going to tell the people who were paroled in that their parole is revoked. The judge, a district judge in Massachusetts, blocked the president from doing it with an injunction, which is basically just a court order that says, don't do this or do this. And legal scholars are pretty appalled, most of them who aren't politically aligned with that decision, because the president under the Constitution is in charge of foreign policy, and this is a power that he is given, and the Secretary of State is given under the Immigration Act, to grant parole and to take it away again. And so to have a judge say, well, no, you can't do it without a case-by-case basis in every single case, which you didn't do on the way in, seems ludicrous. Nationwide injunctions are going to have to be decided by the Supreme Court. They are being used as a political weapon, almost more than a legal weapon, and the Supreme Court, I hope, will at least put some limits on them.